Hi guys, so there's this glitch what I've just found out. I think it's pretty amazing. Sorry my friend can't join this. So yeah, I've just found it out right now. So all you do, you come here. Oh, yeah, you come here. You have to have the cheat low gravity. You see that little crate over there, right? You run, go to it, get in the right corner, then... Oh, no, it hasn't worked. Why not? Or is it a... Ah, you have to use a police car for this. So let's try all over again. So yeah, it has been a little bit of troubling stuff. So let's get a police car shooting here. Oh, there we are. Then went to a copper, returns to our meeting. Get this car out of my way. I said get this. Unfortunately we cannot do a glitch. And I failed. So like I said, all you do is get one of these police cars here. Like I said, get one of these police cars, put low gravity cheat on, like that crate was here to I blew it up. So what you do, you crash in the corner of it, it sucks you in and you fly into the air. And I will do that in a couple of minutes. Actually I might do it now, I just need it to reload and all that stuff. I'll get my team in here. Come on, you little pussy. Don't be scared of... Who's the prick anyway? Oh no, it wasn't even my friend. So here what you do, you go in your thing, you get all coppers off you have to anyway. So you just get all your coppers. I'm sorry I'm using cheats for this. So like I said, you get coppers. Like I said, you get the coppers off you. So yeah, don't. And all you do now, oh, I need to find load. So yeah, you come up here. Come up here, put your sirens on. Put your sirens on here. Then you stop here, well you might have crashed or something. Then you come back, put more sirens on. You think coppers on them. And they stop, then you come back around to that place. Civilians. Then all you do now is come through here. Do you say it's loaded? Yes, it's loaded. So all you do now, you put your sirens on. You crash there in the corner. So you hit it. Why is it not working? It worked so earlier. This is pathetic. No, it just works for... Oh my gosh. Ah, fucking hell, this game's so laggy. Oh, it's not working anymore, guys. Hold on. Get it straight back. Look. I'm getting enough full speed. Oh, yes! Hold on! Oh, I'm floating! I'm floating! I'm floating! I am literally floating, guys. No offense. I am literally floating. Oh, guys, I'm floating. This is scary. What's it gonna do? Dude, I swear. What's happening right now? I'm just gonna wiggle. Oh, dude, it's stuck. Oh no. Oh, dudes, I'm stuck. Oh no. I think it's the UFO glitch. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hold on. Yes. Yes, hold on. Okay, go wiggle. Go wiggle. Okay, go wiggle. Okay, go wiggle. Come on. Come on. Go on. I'm stuck. I'm stuck here. Oh yes. Oh my god. Whoa. 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 Holy shit. Whoa. Whoa. Dudes, this is no joke. This is no joke. This is so fun. see that? Squiggle around, squeeze the tree right there. Oh, this dude's coming to help. Help me! Help me! I'm shaking like fuck. Oh, what's he doing? Is that what you do? Is that it? Fuck you. Oh dude, this is so intense. It's worked, but not fully. Oh, it's not cool. It's a hovering car for life. Oh my gosh. Actually hovering. I know. Nope, it's not working. So I might just call this clip the UFO for now. I guess so. No matter what. Oh, I can still get in the car. Oh. Please work for the audience. Oh, my bowel things are gone as well. Oh, that's amazing. So yeah, I'm just going to jump out and blow it up, and it's going to be the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I said thank you for watching. Run, run. And it did not die. Alright, see you soon. Hope that was a good video.